But I read a wonderful book where an empirical sociologist did an experiment, which is, for me, a true empirically demonstrated rejection of the basic premises of our capitalist worldview. You know, that people are basically egotists, that there is no natural, here I agree with them, sense of solidarity and so on. No, but there is something else. You know, this guy reports first of an experiment done in I forgot which one, is it even MIT or where, top scientific laboratory. It's a wonderful experiment. It makes me cry still in my heart, a deep communist, you know. This was the experiment. They manipulated, probably without telling them, a group of top researchers. And then they were raising their salaries and observed the effects. You know what was the shock? When they were really paid low, not enough to live safely, they, of course, worked better if you paid them more. But only up to a certain point. The presupposition here is, of course, that these were people who really enjoyed their works, like researcher whose work, scientific research, was, and I use this term with all pathetic magnitude, it's a vocation. You know, your job, like, if I may put it in theological terms, your job is not just something you do for money to survive. Your job is your vocation, in the sense that you didn't just choose your job. In some sense, you were chosen, you know, like if you are really a great philosopher or scientist or artist, you didn't simply decide, I want to be this. No, all of a sudden you discovered, I'm chosen, like as if addressed, I cannot not do this. So what he discovered, I already hinted it, is that if then you raise the salaries of these researchers even more, they get so obsessed by money that if the wages, or whatever they earn, maybe the term wages is not enough here, the quality of their work lowers. Because when they get so much money, they get corrupted by money. You know, they say, okay, it's interesting what I'm working, but my God, I could buy another house, go to a holiday from a blah, blah, blah. And again, the quality falls down. So I find this a wonderful thing of how there is no simple correlation between how well you are paid and what you are, and the quality of what you are doing.